Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Just like some people actually analyze that there's someone who invested about $4,000 on Shiba Inu and end up making about $5.7 billion. And imagine investing just $20 then, that person would have been making about $13 to $20 million profit with just $20 investment on Shiba Inu. Now, a lot of people after they said yes, that Shibadoge is the new Shiba Inu. Now, let's take a look at investing just $10 on Shibadoge right now, because this coin is currently trading with about 16 zeros. So if you're buying $10 worth of Shibadoge, you'll be getting quadrillion coins of Shibadoge coin. Now, at the time of recording, you need about $10.84 to buy 100 quadrillion Shibadoge coins. $10.84. Now, deleting 1 0, you are already making $180. Okay, out of the 16 zeros. Deleting 2 zeros, you are making $1,084. That Shibadoge, which is really doing well right now. Deleting 2 zeros out of the 16. So many coins started with these long zeros, like Shiba Inu, like Floki Inu, like Dogecoin. Go and check history. So in the future, you might be seeing Shibadoge start trading with 6 9 zeros. After trading with about 16 right now, anything can happen. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, Shibadoge deleting 2 zeros, we are talking about $1,084 profit, and deleting 3 zeros, $10,800. Shibadoge hitting 100,000%. So by the time Shibadoge will be deleting 4 zeros, we are already talking about $108,400. This is a huge profit. We are talking about a 1,000,000% increase in price. And for Shibadoge, let's assume hit deleting 5 zeros and start trading with just 11 zeros, we are already talking about $1,083,000. You are a millionaire with $10.84. Yes, it is possible, but if Shibadoge becomes the new Shiba Inu, right now this coin is doing well. So many attention might be focused towards Shibadoge, but anything can happen. Right now, Bitmart, you can see Indo ES, L Bank, Hotbit have already started listing this coin. Anything. So please remember to buy what you can afford to lose if you decide to buy. Okay, and remember, this video is not a financial advice. Like I said, please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.